Hello everyone, myself Punya Prasad Pokhrel of Government Junior High School Chiuri Bote, which is in East District of very beautiful state Sikkim. I have completed my higher secondary education with pure science from Government Senior Secondary School Central Pandam in 1991. I had a dream to become a teacher, which becomes true in March 1992. And in 1995, I did 1 year professional training in TTI Gangtok. Now it completed 29 years in this noble profession. Since my school is situated at village near Duga BSc, its enrollment is about 70. And our school staff is headed by Sri T.R. Chetri sir, who is very supportive and inspiring. As such, there is no any problem in teaching learning process. If any problem occurs, we solve by sharing in groups or by taking help from trainer of Sri Aurobindo Society. But to teach something, we have to learn first. Learning process never ends. Being a teacher, we must update ourselves, for which time to time training is needed. Among all the training I attended, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives by Sri Aurobindo Society, is the best. I am attending ZIIEI training since 2018. During lockdown also, Sri Aurobindo Society organized weekly webinar as per demand of the time, in which we discussed about NEP 20, virtual education, Bloom's taxonomy, coronavirus awareness for kids, about family and family tree, and many more. Some ZIIEI ideas shared in those webinars were theme-based attendance, cheat game, wrong chart method, experiential homework, etc. Our trainer Sayandip sir is very supportive. He contacted each and everyone personally and discussed about problems and solutions. Beside this, we download ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app in our phone. This app helps us in many ways. It is very easy to use. Here we can find all the ZIIEI ideas and also ideas from the teachers from various parts of our country, which helps us to improve our teaching techniques. Also, we can find many things by logging the website ip.ziiei.com. Here we can share our innovative ideas too. Now I want to say something about our school, that is Chiuri Bote Junior High School. Our school should be a role model school because students of our school are all-rounder. Our school achieved gold many times in cultural competition in BAC level, won gold many times in March past in complex level. Many students were selected for CM scholarship, for JNV and for NMMS within last few years. Our students are filled not only with bookish knowledge but are practical, for which credit goes to most dedicated and innovative teachers of this school and also for ZIIEI. Lastly, I want to thank Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI and SDFC Bank for providing us with innovative ideas and training. And special thanks to Sayandip sir to keep me in his thoughts always. At last, I want to request all the respected teachers to install Innovative Pathshala app in your phone. You can find it in FB page also. Lastly, I request you all kindly to like, share and subscribe the channel in YouTube. Thank you very much.